We'll guide you through how to accept Stripe payments with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to Stripe's official website. You'll need to log into your account, or if you don't have one yet, create a new Stripe account by following the on-screen prompts. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard where you can manage your payments. You'll want to set up your account to accept payments, so look for the Payments tab on the left-hand side. Click on that, and then you'll see an option to Create Payment. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to enter the payment details such as the amount, currency, and description. Make sure all the details are correct, and then proceed to the next step. You'll then need to integrate Stripe into your website or application. If you're using a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, you can simply add Stripe as a payment method through their respective integrations. For custom websites, Stripe provides API keys that you can use to integrate directly. Go to the Developers section in your Stripe dashboard to find your API keys. You'll need to copy these keys into your website's code or use them in your server-side programming to process payments. Make sure you secure your API keys and never expose them publicly. Once everything is set up, you can start accepting payments. Stripe also offers extensive documentation and customer support if you encounter any issues during the integration process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.